Imagine this. You wake up before the market opens. You've done your homework. You spot the perfect setup. You move your cursor to the buy button. Then your brain says, wait, what if you're wrong? So you check another indicator, then another time frame, then another YouTube video. Then someone on Twitter says the market is going to crash. By the time you've finished your research, the trade is already gone. If this sounds familiar, you're not lazy. You're trapped in something psychologists call analysis paralysis. What is analysis paralysis? Analysis paralysis is when you collect so much information that making a decision becomes harder instead of easier. Most beginners think, the more I know, the better my trade will be. That sounds logical, but trading doesn't reward the person with the most information. It rewards the person who can make good decisions with incomplete information. The market will never give you 100% certainty. If you keep waiting for certainty, you'll spend your career watching charts instead of trading them. Why your brain does this? Your brain isn't trying to make you rich. It's trying to keep you safe. Thousands of years ago, hesitating before entering danger could save your life. Today, your brain treats clicking the buy button like walking into danger. So it creates excuses. I need one more confirmation. I'll wait for the next candle. Let's see what happens after the news. Every delay feels productive, but often it's just fear wearing the mask of logic. The hidden cost. Most traders think the biggest danger is taking a bad trade. Actually, one of the biggest dangers is never taking the good ones. Think about it. You identify a setup. You hesitate. Price moves exactly as planned. Now you feel frustrated. The next setup appears. This time you jump in late because you don't want to miss another move. Ironically, the late entry becomes the losing trade. Analysis paralysis creates a cycle. Hesitate, miss, chase, lose, repeat. How professional traders think. Professional traders don't know the future. They simply trust probabilities. Imagine a casino. A casino doesn't know whether the next player will win. It only knows that after hundreds of games, its edge makes money. Trading works the same way. Your goal isn't to predict every trade correctly. Your goal is to execute your edge consistently. Professionals don't ask, will this trade win? They ask, does this trade follow my plan? If the answer is yes, they execute. How to beat analysis paralysis? Here's a simple rule. Before every trade, ask only 3 questions. Is the trend in my favor? Does my setup match my strategy? Is my risk acceptable? If all 3 are yes, take the trade. No extra indicators, no endless opinions, no searching for certainty. Because in trading, the winner isn't the trader who knows the most. It's the trader who follows their plan even when uncertainty exists. Remember, confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes from repeating the right actions over and over again.
Want to become a better trader? Smash that like button, drop your biggest takeaway in the comments, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next winning lesson. See you in the next one.